Hey, this is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager for Microsoft. In the studio, we've got a great partner, Eddie Bader, CEO of Company Built. So Eddie, I got a quick question for you. You attended the Microsoft Security Boot Camp and just wanted to get your candid thoughts on what you thought of the event.
Well, it's really actually mind-numbing because we're learning so much in such a short amount of time. And you deal with these products all the time, like Microsoft 365, E5, and Azure Information Protection, and you think you know it, and then you come to this boot camp and you realize, oh, there's so many things that I'm not utilizing, not only internally, but for our clients as well. One of the things I really learned from these sessions is the fact that the way we package things right now in terms of offering products to our clients is a certain kind of model, and I've learned a lot of how to repackage and rethink those offerings to clients, and even taking something as simple as securescore.com and creating an offering based around that and helping people turn on the most important features of Office 365 and the security settings in EMS. So that's been really helpful, and obviously Matt and Kevin have a great amount of knowledge, and all their information is just, it's a lot. Sometimes I go home at night and I'm still thinking about it, but it's really given me new ways to think about the business.
Let me extrapolate on that question, Eddie. The difference between this type of boot camp and the other Microsoft presentations that you come in, via like low PowerPoint, high PowerPoint. Give us your thoughts on that.
Well, this is definitely low PowerPoint. This is very hands-on, a lot of questions. It's extremely conversational, so they're asking the partners, what are you doing? How are you doing it? Let us show you a different way to think about it. Let us show you how we look at this and what we think the opportunity is here. And it's not necessarily a huge sales pitch, but they also provide that sales opportunity within actually turning features on in the tenant. Specifically for Office 365, and I just think their perspective is so helpful. And the fact that both Matt and Kevin have written blogs, detailed blogs on how to do all these processes, at the end of the boot camp, they just send us all the links, and we go there and we identify what we want to do and put a package together or a process together for our internal teams and for our clients. And all we have to do is read what they've already done, and whenever we run into an issue, we just reach out to them, and they've been so open with us, and they say, hey, if you have a problem, you want us to take a look at something, reach out to us via email, give us a call, we'd be happy to help you and help you configure these things for your clients, and it's invaluable.
Great. Now, the last question we have for you, and thanks for that,
sure.
Is what are your thoughts on the ladder method that we rolled out today, the catalog offer and then turning GTM resources on and then getting you to market quicker? How is that? What are your thoughts on that?
So first of all, that was just a huge surprise, kind of like a Christmas gift in November, which was awesome because a lot of times we get really involved in our business and we forget to work on our business. And the GTM offer that was presented today is just, hey, look, we're gonna just kickstart your offerings in the OCP catalog, and you just have to fill out a few boxes and let us know what you want to do, what you want to focus on. You turn it over to the team, and they're gonna help get that ready to go, and then you're off to the races. And I think sometimes, I don't think I'm the only one, but I know sometimes I know I have to do it, and I don't always get to it. There's something else that always finds its way in front of that, but this particular offer was great. I mean, by the time I leave today, I'm going to have an offer ready to go, and just huge thanks to the team for helping us out with that. It's great.
Great. Hey, Eddie, thanks so much for coming in. Have a great day.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye.